Kia ora whānau. It's the last day of term 1. Who would have thought a week ago that I'd be here presenting assembly from my spare room instead of 450 fantastic children in front of me? I have these two crazy critters. One of them's a little bit hungry. This is Storm and this is Diesel. Good boy. And these are my two pups that I've got in my isolation bubble with me for the next 4 weeks instead of you wonderful people. You might see a little bit more of them in some videos in weeks to come. But I just wanted to end the term today by saying thank you so much, everybody, for the way you have carried yourselves through the last few weeks. I know there's been a lot of uncertainty in our world. I know there's been things that have been quite worrying, but you guys have backed each other up. You've stood behind your friends and you have lived our values, being kind, being safe, being responsible, being brave, and we've even had a little bit of fun along the way. So thank you for that. I especially want to thank our teaching team who have had to do much more than we ever anticipated in the last few weeks when we trained to be teachers, and setting ourselves up ready for you at the beginning of next term to do some distance learning, something that's really different and outside the box. So today, instead of an assembly, we just have this video. We have a house challenge update to share with you. We've got some amazing photos that some of your parents have shared that we're looking forward to showing you what your friends and other families have been doing during this first few days of self-isolation. And we've also got the Student of the Week certificates. Now, of course, we can't have a morning tea next week. We won't be able to do that until we get back to school. So we will organise something for you when we get back to school. But I do want to say thank you to everybody who has earned a Student of the Week award. You are still awesome. The next 2 weeks will be holidays. We'll definitely be posting some bits to our Facebook page to help some ideas for activities to keep you busy while you're at home. And we will see you back after Easter for the beginning of our distance learning. 15th of April is the first day back of term. It's a Wednesday. With Easter in New Zealand, the holidays always go through to after Easter Tuesday. So we'll see you back on the 15th of April. Kia kaha.
Hi everybody. As you know, we had to postpone House Day and it's a little bit hard to earn silver card points at the moment. So I just wanted to let you know about a house challenge I'm going to set for you guys to do at home. What I'd like you to do when you go out on your walks and you're walking down the street looking for all those teddies in the window, I'd like you to dress up your whole family or all the people that are in your bubble walking with you in house colours. So when you go walking down the street, totally house proud, wear all your colours, take a photo or a selfie, send it to me, and you will earn a house point. You can do this as many times as you like. So for every walk you do, you can do it. Send me the email and I'll add up all the points at the end, and the winning house will win 100 points. So it's a bit of a challenge. Who's going to win this? So if you're wondering what to wear, because you might have a house t-shirt, but your family might not, have a think in your, have a look in your dress up box. You might find a wig. You might find an old t-shirt somewhere. You might find a lei, or raid your mum's wardrobe or your sister's wardrobe or whoever and see if you can find some clothes and get yourselves dressed up. So looking forward to seeing all your emails. All the email details will be emailed to you. It will also be on the Facebook page. So go Gloucester, go Gard, go Whitmans, and go Chatsworth.
Might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because
and I'm doing my book. Bye. Hope you have a lovely day. Hello.
So wonderful to see the amazing work that you're all doing at home. Look forward to seeing some more once we're back next term. Once again, a final thank you to everybody over these last 2 weeks when we've been going through such a period of uncertainty. The care and compassion you have all shown as children, as parents, our teachers and our amazing support staff who have helped us get through what has been a really uncertain time. We hope you have a wonderful couple of weeks ahead. Enjoy your break. Enjoy spending time with whānau. And remember, he aha te mea nui o te ao. He tangata, he tangata, he tangata. What is the most important thing in the world? It is the people. Kia kaha.